Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to BSS Online Education. I am Nigar Sultana, your maths teacher from class 2. How are you all? I hope you are all good. Today we will discuss about chapter 10.2 counting sequences. Now look at here in number 2. Work out the rules for each sequence. Climb down each ladder by counting backwards. Then use the code to make a word. First one, look at here. Here is 20, 18 and 16. We can see here is 20 and backwards number is 18 and 16. That means in letter A we have to subtract 2 from each numbers. Then if we subtract 16, if we subtract 2 from 16, we get here 14. After that, if we again subtract 2 from 14, we get here 12. And again if we subtract 2 from 12, we get here 8. And last one here is 8. Now we have to write here minus 2 because of we have to subtract 2 from each each number. In number B, look at here. Here is 70, 60, 50. Here we can see first one is 70 and backwards number is 60, 50, 40. That means in letter B, we have to subtract 10 from each number. Then we get here 30, 20 and 10. After that, we have to write here in this box minus 10 because of we have to subtract 10 from each number. In number C, here is 50 and backwards number is 45, 40. Here we can see for fill up this ledger, we have to subtract 5 from each numbers. Then we get here 35, 30, 25 and 20. And we have to write here minus 5. In number D, here is 24, 21, 18 and 15. Here the differences between 24 and 20. Here is 3 difference. And as we can see 21 and 18, if we subtract we get 3 differences. So here we have to subtract 3 from each numbers and here we have to write minus 3. In this way we can work out the answer of E and F. Now we have to use this code to make a word. Now look at here. Here is 20. The code is N. Now work out. Now find out from here where is 20. Where is 20? Look at here. Here is 20, and the code of 20 is N. So write down here N. After that 6. Find out from here which letter we can see 6. Number D. Here is 6. So write here N. After that here 8. Now find from here 8. Where is 8? In number A, here is 8. Now write down here W because of the code of 8 is W. After that 38, 10 and 27. Now here is 38. 38 is R, so write down here R. 10. Here is look at here. Where is 10? Here is 10 in number B. Right, and the code of 10 is I. So write here I. Last one is 27. The code of 27 is E, and look at here in number E. Here is 27. So write down here E, and the word is winner. In number 3, here is work out the rules for each sequence. then complete each sequence. Now look at here. Here is 12, 15 and 18. Here the difference between each number is 3. For work out the next letter, we have to add 3. Here is 15. If we add 3 with 15, we get 18. Here is 18. If we add 3 with 18, we get 21. And if we add 21 with 3, we get here 24. And for work out the answer of before number, we have to subtract 3 from 12. And if we subtract 3 from 12, we get 9. And again, if we subtract 3 from 9, we get 6. And again, if we subtract 3 from 6, we get here 3. Now look at here from first. Here is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So we have to write here plus 3 because we add 3 all time. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. In number B, here is 33, 28, 23, 18. As we can see here, if we subtract 5 from 33, we get 28. Look at here. Here is 33 and here is 22. The differences between 33 and 22 is 5. And the differences between 28 and 23 is 5. And the differences between 23 and 18 is also 5. So for work out the answer of the next the next number, we have to subtract 5 from 18, then we get 13. Again we have to subtract 5, then we get 8. Again we have to subtract 5, then we get 3. And look at her in first one. For work out the answer of the before number, here we have to add 5 with 33. Here we get 38. But if we can see here from the first, here is 38, 33, 28, 23, 18. 38 and 33. Difference is 5. 33 and 28. Difference is 5. Here we have to subtract 5 from each number for complete this sequence. So we have to write here in number B minus 5. I hope you are all understand this chapter. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.